Okay, I'm trying to set up a speeduino fuel injection and ignition system for my old car. So what I've got here is the speeduino main panel, and over here this guy is driving all of that. This guy is producing a 35 pulse and then one missing pulse signal to fake out there being a crank. So the crank signal is 35 pulses and then one missing one. Over here I've got a throttle position sensor, so this would be attached to the carburetor. So if we go over here to the scope, I've got this set up. So the upper trace is the crank output, so you've got 35 individual pulses with one missing one, and then the lower trace is the fuel injection pulse width duty cycle. So as I change the throttle position sensor very carefully, you can see the fuel injection duty cycle changes. Similarly over here on the main screen, as I change the throttle position, you can see the pulse width changes. So this thing thinks that it's in a real engine and is trying to control the fuel injectors as a function of the throttle setting at a constant RPM of 826, which just happens to be a convenient number for what I chose for the delays in the Arduino code that's running the fake crank sensor.